everyone. My name is Xiaoxiao Li, and my topic today is sentiment and social meaning extraction from speed dates. This is an outline of this presentation, and I'll first go through the introduction part. So, automatically detecting human social intentions and attitude from spoken conversation is an important task for developing social aware computing systems. And in this study, they describe a system for detecting interpersonal stances, for example, friendly, flirty, awkward, or assertive. And the data source of this study is romantic data speeches. And let's talk about the data source. The data are collected from 3 speed dating sessions run at an private American university. And the data is collected in a large hall separated into cubicles containing only one pair of participants in each cubicle. And the pretest surveys, event scorecards, and post-test surveys are also collected. The data include audio data and transcripts. The data size in this study is 1,104 minute dates. And due to errors, only 946 clean data can be used in the study. 149 dates are invalid. And let's talk about the methods in this study. First, because in all cases we are interested only in understanding the most clear and consistent signals. Here we only choose individuals with stance force in either top 10 or bottom 10% of the ratings. So there are only in total 20% of the samples from the original sample are used in the study. And in order to identify friendly, flirtatious, awkward, or assertive stance from speakers, we need to first extract the features from their speeches and do data normalization of it. And finally, we got to the classification part. In this study, 2 methods are used: the linear support vector machine and a regularized logistic regression. Both of these 2 methods are machine learning methods used for data classification. And due to the small sample size, 5-fold cross-validation is used to train and evaluate the model. This is the result, the accuracy result from 30 randomized rounds of 5-fold cross-validation. This is the stances and male and female people, and also the first 2 rows are the SVM classification result, and the last 2 rows are the logistic regression result. Let's take an example of this number. This 0.76 means that the SVM classification has 76% accuracy on self-reported male friendly stances. And this is the result of a feature analysis. And here we can see some features of the flirtation analysis. And let's get to the conclusion part. So from this study, we know that it is possible to use automatically extracted features to extract interpersonal stances. And the interesting point is that the flirting features in women is the words like, the collaborative style, or the words I. But the flirting feature in men are mostly you know, all, and this suggests a conversational norm. women are the topic or the target of the conversation. But we need to take caution of this result because there's only a small sample in this study and it is not random sample of English speakers. And also speed dating is not nature context for expressing every conversational style. That's it.